In the first cosmic calendar, the entire history of the universe fit into a single year. Humanity appeared only in the last 14 seconds of December 31st. But the clock didn't stop. Year 2 has already begun, and it holds the next 14 billion years of the cosmos. A journey towards the twilight of light. The first week of January moves fast. On January 7th of Year 2, about 280 million years in our future, Earth's continents collide once again, merging into a barren and desert-like supercontinent, which some scientists call Pangaea Ultima. But the real blow comes weeks later. Around January 30th, exactly 1,200 million years in the future, the Sun reaches a critical point, becoming 10% more luminous. This small increase is enough to shatter our world's fragile equilibrium. Plants begin to suffocate and die. Time fast-forwards to March 5th. 2,500 million years have passed. The relentless heat of our star causes the oceans to boil and evaporate into space. Earth transforms into a mirror of Venus, a toxic and suffocating desert. The cradle of life is officially dead. If humanity hasn't established colonies on other planets long before this, this will be the end of the human race. We reach April 25th, almost 4,600 million years in the future. In the night sky of a charred Earth, a terrifying spectacle takes shape. The Andromeda galaxy collides with the Milky Way. Our nights are filled with the visual chaos of trillions of stars being torn from their orbits and merged into a new galaxy. At the end of that same month, the Sun exhausts its nuclear fuel. In its final agony, it expands monstrously, becoming a red giant star. Mercury and Venus are swallowed and disintegrated in seconds. Earth, by this point a lifeless and unrecognizable place, is roasted in a sea of plasma. In mid-July, almost 8 billion years in the future, the Sun ejects its outer layers. What remains is only its dead core, an Earth-sized white dwarf. A stellar ghost slowly cooling in the darkness. Around October 10th, we cross the 11 billion year mark in the future. The universe becomes a lonely place. The mysterious force of dark energy accelerates the expansion of space. Distant galaxies are pushed outside our observable horizon. The sky outside our new merged galaxy becomes an immense black void. Finally, we reach December 31st of Year 2. About 14.7 billion years in the future. The universe is now twice its current age. The era of star formation is collapsing. Gas and dust clouds have been practically exhausted. The cosmos is now dominated by opaque red dwarfs, invisible black holes, and planetary corpses plunged into absolute zero. Humanity, if it still exists, will be orbiting red dwarfs, which have a lifespan of trillions of years. A mere shadow of illumination compared to what our Sun once was, but still, the last safe harbors of heat in the universe. Year 2 ends. Light and heat have become relics of a distant past. And this is just the beginning of the continuous erasure. But still, the cosmic calendar continues. And what will this future look like? Like this video and share it with as many people as possible so the third part of this incredible timeline can be released. Subscribe to the channel and help us generate more and more content.